What's going on, guys? We've got two very special guests on the show today to help you understand what's going to make your TikTok stand out from everyone else's, and those are good lighting and sound quality. Now, we're not going to be discussing sound quality in this video. Instead, we'll be discussing lighting and why it's so important and why these two may be the items for you. So, if you're new to the channel, welcome. We're all about creativity in filmmaking, so if that's something that you're into, consider subscribing. Now, I've recently taken up TikTok, creating about 4 or something a day, wasting my whole day creating them. And I've been using the Aperture 120D, which is a $750 light, which I will tell you right now is massive overkill for what you need for TikTok. Now, with TikToks being what TikToks are, you're normally going to be so close to the camera, which more often than not is going to be your phone, which means you should be close to your light source, which makes these two perfect. So we have our standing light here with the accessories that make this a flexible tilt head and stuff, and then we have a portable clip-on ring light. I'm going to go through both of these, but we're going to start off with this one. And of course, I'll leave links in the description for you to make your purchases if you like them. Let's put this to one side. This standing ring light is USB powered, so which means you can plug it into your computer, an external battery pack, which I think is awesome, which means you don't have to carry around a battery pack that's attached to this and have it close to a wall. You can just plug it into a USB charging case, portable charger, something like that. And then it comes with 3 different modes: a warm yellow, a warm white, and a white. Now, I would suggest that you'll be sticking to white the whole time. A warm yellow is going to give you an orangey feel to it, and warm white, maybe perhaps a more natural feel, but the white is a better look for TikToks, more of a fresh, open look. And at each setting, so each of those 3 settings, you have 10 settings, levels of brightness that you can adjust, and there's a little control on the cable of this for you to turn it on, change the setting, and then to increase or decrease the brightness, which is perfect. And in addition, it also comes with a little remote, a remote shutter, which is what you can use to actually trigger the starting of recording or the ending of recording, especially if you're not within reaching distance of your phone. So if you're looking for a ring light with a stand that's not going to break the bank, this is your one for, at the moment, under $50. As for the other little portable ring light, I wasn't necessarily set on recommending this. I thought to myself, this is going to be pretty poor, but now I'm going to recommend it to you. So this is a simple, dirt cheap clip-on light with 3 different settings to it. It's got a little button on the back. You just simply click once, twice, 3 times for your different levels of brightness. And it simply just clips onto the top of your phone, and you can see your camera still through there, and you can obviously just flip it around as well to ensure that you're getting the back cameras nice and open. Now, it is USB chargeable, and I could not quite believe how quickly it did charge itself. So there you have it. I'll leave both links in the description, and if you're looking for more TikTok content with sound quality coming up and a few transition videos, this, that, and the other, make sure you're saying subscribe to the channel, and those will be out soon. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, do what you gotta do, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Or you can go over to TikTok and see what's going on there. What's poppin'? That's the only time I'll ever do that, I promise.